When it comes to the texture of makeup, I prefer cream over powder products any day. It's not that one is better than the other, but it's more about a personal preference. So if you're a fan of cream or liquid-based makeup products, then you've come to the right place. Hi guys, I'm Smriti and today I'm going to show you full face makeup using cream or liquid products. But first, you know the drill. Go ahead and subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel and ring the bell icon to get notified about all our latest videos. You know, one of the biggest reasons to do a full face makeup using cream or liquid products is that in general, these formulations are easy to apply and blend. They create a natural luminous finish which helps mimic a sun-kissed glow. And who doesn't like that? So let's just jump right into it. I'm going to start off with the base. But before that, please go ahead and do all your skincare steps and ensure to prep the skin with a light layer of primer. As we know by now, prepping the skin is very important. It helps the makeup settle on your skin better, so don't skip it. Okay, so let's start with the foundation. I'm using the Lakme 9 to 5 Weightless Mousse Foundation in the shade Honeydew. Squeeze out some of the foundation and use a damp beauty sponge to blend it into the skin. This foundation has a really interesting texture. It's more like a mousse, and this precisely makes it super easy to apply, just like a cream. But did you also know that this foundation comes in 12 different shades? So you will definitely have no problem finding something that suits your skin. As you can see, it blended really easily and it's giving me a matte finish with a medium to sheer coverage. But if you want more coverage around the areas where you have hyperpigmentation, no worries. Just add another layer because it's very buildable. I almost feel like I'm wearing nothing on my skin, which is one of the reasons why I love cream-based products. That being said, this would be the perfect everyday foundation. Now, onto the eyes while I let the foundation completely settle into my skin. I'm using two different products for my eyes. The first is the Lakme Absolute Precision Lip Paint in the shade Alluring Nude. This will be my base shade. And the next product is the Lakme Absolute Liquid Highlighter in the shade Bronze, which will act as a shimmer shade. First, I'll apply this nude shade all over the eyelids using my fingertips. Then, I'm going to apply the bronze highlighter right on top of the nude shade. But don't completely cover the previous shade. Instead, focus on applying the shimmering shade in the center of your eyelids for that pop of shimmer. As you can see, this shimmery shade blends out easily with just your fingers, thanks to its lightweight texture. It's also very buildable, so if you want to add more, go ahead and do that. For the lower lash line, I'm going to rim this nude shade right below the lower waterline and then I'm going to blend it out with the smudger brush. Now in this eye look, I'm going to give myself the classic winged eyeliner look. For that, I'm going to use the Lakme Iconic Liquid Eyeliner in black. This eyeliner has a flexi tip brush that's perfect to create this or any other look. It gives you the precision that you need while drawing. It's almost like I'm drawing with a pen, and I love the dark black color. So start by drawing a thin, crisp line on the upper lash line and then extend that line as you reach the outer edge of the eye with a prominent cat-like flick. Also, to add, this eyeliner is smudge proof, so you can wear it all day long and it won't be a messy disaster. Now, I'm going to rim half of the lower lash line with the gel kajal. This is what I'm using. It's the Lakme 9 to 5 Natural Gel Kajal in black. It comes with a brush, so I'm just going to dip that into the gel kajal and start drawing a line that starts from the outer edge of the eye all the way till the center of the iris. Once you reach the iris, extend the line slightly downwards for a bit of an edge. As you can see, the gel formulation made it super easy to apply. The gel has aloe vera and calendula oil, which feels very pleasant and soothing to the eye. This is exactly why I feel safe even while applying it on the waterline. Now I'm going to go back to my face for some concealer and contour, after which I'll complete the eye look with some mascara. So now I'm using the Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Liquid Concealer in the shades Nude and Cocoa. I'm using the lighter shade as my concealer and a darker shade as my contour. The lighter shade of concealer is going to be used as a cover-up for my hyperpigmentation, discoloration and even the under-eye bags. But it's also going to add light to the parts of my face that I want to highlight. This concealer has a primer infused in it, so we rest assured that it will stay put for many hours. Whereas the darker shade of concealer is going to work as contour and is going to hide parts of your face by pushing them back into the shadow. This will help enhance your facial features and bring out its natural contours. Now on to applying the concealer and contour. As you can see, this concealer has a brush-like applicator, so it's super easy to apply. You can follow me and draw the lines where I do, or you can add them wherever you feel like. You know your face better. Once these lines are drawn, it's all about the blending. The better you blend, the more natural it looks on your skin. I'm going to use a beauty sponge, but you're welcome to use a brush if you want to. No matter what you use, make sure you blend in a tapping motion. Don't ever drag. It's an absolute sin when it comes to blending. Now that that's done, you can see how easy it was to blend. It's giving me this smooth matte finish with no creases or cakey texture. Moving on to my cheeks and lips. I'm going to use the Lakme 9 to 5 Weightless Matte Mousse Lip and Cheek color in the shade Rose Touch. I love that it's a 2-in-1. Saves money and space in my purse. Apply the blush in a C shape from the top of the temple down to the cheekbone. If you have fuller cheeks, you can focus it on that part. I'm going to apply dots with the brush-like applicator on my cheeks. Then blend using a beauty sponge. For the lips, directly go over the lip area and fill it in. The pointed edge of the brush helps define the shape of the lips. As you can see, it has a matte yet mousse-like texture which makes the feel of the lip color super lightweight. Also, because of the mousse formula, my cheeks look naturally moisturized and flushed. I'm going to leave my face alone for a bit and go back to the eyes. I'm using the Lakme Absolute Flutter Secrets Dramatic Eyes Mascara in the shade Night Drama. I'm going to apply 2 coats of this mascara on my lashes. It really does give me the volume, the curl and the drama. Also, it's waterproof and smudge resistant, which is a must with mascara just in case. I'm also going to use the same mascara as an eyebrow gel. Just lightly brush the mascara over the brows for a well-defined looking eyebrow. Lastly, let me show you an absolute fun product. It's the Lakme Lumi Skin Cream. What got me really excited is that it will not only hydrate the skin, but it will also add a 3D highlight-like effect on the skin. Exciting, right? It has a lightweight consistency and gives a pink tinted glow that is sheer but buildable. I'm going to apply a few dots on the highest points of my cheekbone and brow bone. Then blend it in with my fingers. It blends very easily like a dream, and it makes my face look brighter and healthier. So that was a full face makeup using cream or liquid products. I hope you can see how the cream products give my skin this moisturized texture. It's absolutely perfect for anyone with dry skin. It makes my skin look healthy and youthful. Before I go, like and share this video and make sure to subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel. Also, last but not the least, don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos, and I'll catch you in the next one.